If you are looking to transfer photos to new iPhone without iCloud, focus on this video to accomplish the picture migration through 5 tried and true methods. Now, sit back and pick one to enjoy a relaxing phone transfer experience. Way 1. Transfer photos to new iPhone without iCloud via phone transfer. There are various methods to transfer pictures from one iPhone to another, and using tools like phone transfer can seamlessly copy images while preserving all the data on both devices. Way 2. Transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud via Quick Start iOS 12.4 or later. 1. Power on new iPhone. 2. Connect via wire. 3. Quick start on old phone. Set up with Apple Lid. 4. Input iCloud. Tap. Continue. 5. Enter old iPhone password if prompted. 6. Set up Face ID or Touch ID. 7. Choose Target Backup. Select Restore option. Restore from iCloud or update current backup. 9. Follow on-screen prompts to transfer data. Way 3. Transfer photos from old iPhone to new iPhone without iCloud by AirDrop. 1. Ensure you have activated AirDrop on both iPhones from the pull-down menu. 2. Access AirDrop receiving and choose Everyone or Contacts Only to allow sharing with all users. 3. Don't forget to enable AirDrop on the other device as well. 4. Once set up, locate the images you wish to share. 5. Open a picture and tap the Share icon. 6. Initiate the transfer process by selecting the recipient's image. Way 4. Get old photos from old iPhone to new one without iCloud by iTunes Finder. 1. Connect old iPhone to computer. 2. Use iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina. 3. Click iPhone, choose this computer. 4. Backup. Backup now. Apply. 5. Disconnect the old iPhone from the computer and connect the new iPhone using a USB cable. 6. Again, click on the iPhone device button in iTunes. 7. Finally, choose Photos, select Sync Photos, click Sync. Be patient while the photos are transferred to the new iPhone. Way 5. Transfer photos from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud or computer via Google Photos. 1. Get Google Photos on source iPhone. 2. Sign in, allow backup and settings. 3. Install on target iPhone. Sign in. 4. Synced pics appear. 5. Download with Download button. 6. Wait for download completion.